Have you ever looked up at the sky and thought, what if we could build our own sun? It sounds like the plot of a blockbuster sci-fi movie, but what would it actually take for humanity to forge a star? Let's dive into this mind-bending concept. Imagine a civilization so advanced, it could gather enough energy to ignite nuclear fusion on a cosmic scale. This isn't just about building a bigger power plant. It's about mastering the very forces that power the universe. We're talking about technologies far beyond our current grasp, needing to confine superheated plasma and kickstart a self-sustaining stellar engine. While concepts like fusion reactors give us a tiny glimpse, the leap to creating an actual star is astronomical. Is this just a wild dream, or are we seeing the faintest glimmers of such a future in our labs today? Now, let's get down to the engineering. This wouldn't be a project. It would be the single greatest undertaking in human history. Forget skyscrapers and mega dams. We'd need to construct a vessel capable of containing the fury of a miniature sun. What material could possibly withstand that heat and pressure? We don't have it. The amount of resources needed would make every mine, factory, and supply chain on Earth look like a child's playset. We'd have to strip mine our solar system and a few others just to get the raw materials. And then, the logistics. How do you assemble an object of such immense mass, either on Earth or in orbit, without tearing our planet apart in the process? The sheer scale is almost impossible for our minds to fully comprehend. Even if we somehow solved the engineering puzzle, the consequences for Earth would be catastrophic. A second sun in our sky, no matter how small, would unleash chaos. The delicate balance of our climate would be shattered. We'd face unimaginable heat waves that would boil the oceans, turning our lush green and blue planet into a scorched, barren rock. The intense radiation would sterilize the surface, wiping out all life. And what if we lost control? A runaway fusion reaction wouldn't just be a disaster. It would be an apocalypse, a self-inflicted extinction event that would vaporize our world in a flash of cosmic fire. The impact wouldn't stop at our atmosphere. The immense gravity of this new sun would wreak havoc on the delicate dance of our solar system. Earth's orbit would become unstable. We could be flung out into the cold, empty void of interstellar space, or worse, pulled into a death spiral towards our original sun. The gravitational ripples alone could destabilize the orbits of Mars, Venus, and even the gas giants, creating a domino effect of planetary chaos. The dream of a second sun would become a system-wide nightmare. So, is the idea of building a sun the ultimate expression of human ambition, or a tragic example of our own hubris? It's a grand thought experiment that forces us to confront our limits. The risks are existential, and the costs are beyond calculation. Perhaps instead of trying to play God and build new stars in the heavens, our true genius lies in protecting and perfecting the beautiful world we already have. Focusing on sustainable energy and preserving our home might just be the most advanced and intelligent thing we can do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy exploring these cosmic what-ifs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown, and check out the new video on screen now. See you next time, and until then, keep looking up.